Hi everyone, how are you doing all? Hope you are doing good. So in this short session, I'm going to talk about a one real gem in C Sharp. And this has never been seen before or people don't use that, but this is going to make things very simple. The concept is about the primary constructors. Okay, so let me show you what is really a primary constructor. So now again, I believe you already know what constructors are. So I have a code. Let me copy and paste it. So this is our boilerplate code, right? So we have a class having properties, and then we have the constructor. So you can see a lot of code, right? So it has in the C sharp, we have always been writing boring constructors like that. But now with just one line, we can do the same thing cleaner and faster. So let me show you how the new primary constructor feature in C sharp 12 is. So when I say C sharp 12, that means you will not get this feature before C sharp 12. So that means we'll require at least .NET 8 and more. So .NET 8 corresponds to C sharp 12. All right. So let me now show you. So this is the old way, pretty much old boilerplate code. Just wanting to show that instead of doing this way, you can do something great. So let me actually once again write the same code and I'm going to copy. I'm going to comment this one now. Okay. So this is what I'm not going to write. I can just write public class person and then look at the magic. I'm just going to be getting this thing in the constructor right here. Amazing, isn't it? So that would mean that the class itself started with defining its primary constructor. This is known as primary constructor. Okay, constructor. That is the main constructor. After that, if you really need to develop more constructors, you can go ahead and do them. But this is the primary way of constructing the object's data. And how do I initialize it? It is pretty simple again. So all you need to do is, let me copy these two things. You can just go ahead and write equals to name semicolon and equals to age semicolon. That's it. Just think about it. Think about it. It is done. So this is quick and immediate, right? So this is really an aha moment. Look at this. So that means we don't have to be writing so much of boilerplate code. Just you can take this constructor and get it here, and then boom, it creates the primary constructor. It's much lesser effort. It does almost immediately. So how do I initialize it? Initialize it in the same way. There is no such difference. So you can just write var p equals to new person, and as I give this first bracket, you'll find that name and age coming up. Let me have a name as Alice. Let the age be 25. And then we can do the same thing. Console.writeLine. We are using interpolation. That is p dot name is p dot age years old. P dot name is, sorry, just missed it here. P dot name is p dot age years old. Right? Pretty much it. Let me hold the screen. Console dot read a key. That's it. Just look at this marvel. So this is so simple, so easy to use. Now this primary constructor feature is available for classes, for structures, even for records. So watch out my tutorial. I'll be explaining about records also. It's coming up. Okay, so just wanted to talk about this little small feature of C sharp, which is great. So next time you are writing a simple class, give primary constructors a try, right? Okay, so if you found this video useful, please hit like and subscribe. And I teach C# and .NET. For more examples and real world examples, if you want to be getting a one-to-one lecture with me, you can definitely call me. The description of what has been given in the description section. Thank you, and we'll see you again back. Bye bye.